So guys, on this idle adjustment, you just put the Allen wrench in there. It's metric, it's pretty small, it's hard to get in there. You can take a couple of bolts off and remove that rear panel, which would make it easier. But essentially I pushed it all the way forward, which lowered the idle down. It was still good enough to run, and it's idling a lot better at low idle, and it should be a lot healthier for the machine. And those movements that you want to do with a little more precision, it should help out with that too. You know, if it's idling too low or it's cutting off, you can pull it back a little bit. But I think based on where mine is anyway, that's probably not going to be much of an issue with people, because I have it all the way in order for it to be at a good idle there. And it could probably go down a little bit more, to tell you the truth, but I'm happy with it. So we'll use that for a while and get on to our other projects.